For this recipe, you need to take a vessel and preheat it, and then add oil and onion juliennes and stir fry it until translucent, and then add ginger garlic paste and fry it until it's golden brown. Then add splitted green chilies and red chili powder and turmeric. Now stir it nicely to give flavor to the onions. Now add salt according to your taste. Add chopped ladyfinger cubes. Pour half cup of water. Finally, you can add chopped methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Cover it with a lid and cook on low flame. Once the ladyfinger becomes soft, stir fry and let the excess water evaporate. Then add coriander leaves for garnishing.